When dads tell stories, they're not just reading, they're planting the seeds of imagination, curiosity, and invention. And this Father's Day, we're featuring two dads who didn't just raise kids, they're raising the bar in engineering. From video games to factory robots, the engineering triumphs of these two dads paved the way for their kids' own engineering breakthroughs. Some engineers build more than just the latest technology, they build legacies. Hello, Circuiteers. This week's first story is a mixture between gaming and mice, or one rather large mouse to be exact. Nolan Bushnell is an American businessman and electrical engineer, and Ted Dabney is an American electrical engineer. In 1972, Nolan and Ted founded a little company named Atari that created the popular video game Pong. Then in 1977, Nolan founded a restaurant chain with the giant mouse at its heart. That's right, I'm talking about Chuck E. Cheese, the first restaurant chain to marry food, entertainment, and video games. Both Atari and Chuck E. Cheese went on to be huge successes. And for everything Nolan has accomplished and contributed to the gaming space, he is often called the father of the gaming industry. Nolan is also the father of 8 children. Nolan's son Brent Bushnell is an entrepreneur, engineer, and the founder of 2-Bit Circus, a micro amusement park fusing VR, robotics, and carnival chaos. And before that, Brent co-founded Sin Labs, the creative engineering team that engineered the elaborate Rube Goldberg machine for the pop band OK Go's music video. And then there's Nolan's daughter, Alyssa. Alyssa is not a formally trained engineer, but her early exposure to technology and gaming, such as being one of the first beta testers of Pong, has influenced her career in tech storytelling and innovation. And finally, Nolan's son, Tyler, is the CEO and engineer who created Polycade, which brings retro arcade magic into modern bars. Okay, Circuiteers, now get ready for a father-son duo who turned Ford into a factory of the future. One gave robots vision, the other gave them AI and smartphones. Turns out, innovation does run in the family. Lou LaPlante is an engineer and 30-year veteran of the Ford Motor Company. In 2003, Lou won the Henry Ford Technology Award for the 3D robotic guided vision system he invented. Lou's son has described the system as a robot with eyes that picks up a part and places it in reach of another robot that docks it to the engine. Inspired by his dad's legacy, Walter LaPlante, engineering manager at Ford, won the same award his father did, except for Mavis, palm-sized smartphone-based AI system that scans auto parts in real time and flags defects before a car reaches the road. Walter, who was diagnosed with a hearing disability at age 5, built Mavis to communicate simply with people and machines. Now, nearly 300 Mavis-enabled phones are used in Ford plants across the globe, improving quality, cutting waste, and proving that great engineering speaks every language. From father to son, the LaPlante family didn't just build smarter factories, they built a legacy rooted in precision, curiosity, and maybe just a few engineering genes. Check out Baby Bjorn for the new dad who wants his baby carrier with a backstory. Invented by Swedish engineer Bjorn Jacobson, who spent his World War II teen years babysitting evacuee babies from Europe in order to keep them safe. Baby Bjorn is the baby carrier that rebranded fatherhood. So this Father's Day, put down the brewski and get Bjornified. Your spine and your baby will both thank you. This segment is funded by moms who asked for help once and got handed a diaper. Nolan Bushnell and Lou LaPlante aren't just engineers who created impactful technology, they are fathers who created impactful engineers. So to all the engineers who build and inspire, the Circuit would like to wish you a very happy Father's Day. And if you enjoyed this week's episode of The Circuit, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more incredible engineering news. Oh, I see you there, little future engineer. Boop, beep, boop. Wait, why does this feel like deja vu?